Hello and welcome to IndianMoney.com's YouTube channel. My name is Fayaz. In the year 2020, we all have learned the fact that we need to have multiple sources of income. We need to have the right kind of investment options to ensure that we are very much secure, and not just us, our family is also very much secure. And maybe that's the reason why a lot of people have started investing, and a lot of Demat accounts have also opened up. In the year 2020 itself, there are more than 10 million Demat accounts that have been opened across the globe. So if at all you are still wondering which are the right kind of brokerage platforms for you to ensure that you are able to do the right kind of trading, you are able to choose the right kind of investments, then you should definitely check out this particular video which we are about to present to you, because in this video we'll discuss with you about the 5 brokerage firms of India which are offering you free Demat account and free services for almost all kind of your requirements when it comes to making investments, or when it comes to investing in maybe commodities or derivatives or any other kind of investment options. So stick with me till the end of this video, because in the end of this video, we'll discuss with you 2 major brokerage houses of India which are offering you not just amazing benefits, but also their key features. We'll discuss about them as well. So without a further ado, let's get started. The number one company over here, the number one brand over here is called Trustline, and as the name suggests, they are very, very trustworthy, and they are a full service broker based out of Chennai. So it's basically into equity research and asset management, and this particular company's core competencies include financial research, and they majorly focus in mid cap and small cap types of funds. And talking about the services that they offer you free Demat account and trading account for lifetime. The next in the list is iTrade Online. So iTrade Online is also a brokerage firm which is also very prominent and popular. So talking about the modern day trading tools that they provide you, they basically charge you around 20 rupees or 0.03% of the transaction. Whichever is lower, they are going to charge you that much. And it's also a discount broker which is trading across all the kind of platforms, be it FNOs, be it derivatives, be it commodities, be it currencies, you name it, and they deal in that kind of online transactions, and they deal in that kind of investment options. So they also provide you very good features, and also there's no any kind of brokerage that they basically charge you, and they will not be any kind of turnover commitments as well. The next in the list is going to be Finvasia. Finvasia is also one of India's fintech company, and this particular company is offering you a range of different kind of options. To name a few, they give you zero brokerage, zero account opening, zero clearance, and zero AMC, and so on and so forth. There are many amazing features that this particular company also provides you. And talking about the other services that they offer you a discount broker, and this company also gives you free lifetime Demat account and trading account as well. So now we'll talk about the last 2 companies which are giving you some of the most amazing features, and which are also giving you key benefits as well for every single person that opens their account with them. First one in the list is ProStocks, and ProStocks is the company that has been founded by Sunlight Broking LLP Ventures, and this particular company was started in February 2016. And this particular company gives you some of the most amazing features, including equity trading, currency trading, derivatives trading, and depository services. Talking about the key benefits that they offer you flat 15 rupees per trade brokerage for intraday and FNO trades. They also give you lifetime AMC free Demat account. They also offer you free account opening through online paperless account, and also they give you brokerage free equity delivery trading, and zero brokerage charges are basically what they charge you for every single transaction that you do with them. And last but definitely not the least is a company that is very, very popular, that has also gained a lot of traction these days, is a company called R Money. So R Money is basically a discount broker, and it provides a single platform for all the different kinds of transactions that you want to do. It can be maybe investing in commodities, equity, insurance, mutual funds, and PMs. You name it, and they will be able to help you with that kind of transactions. And the key benefits that they offer you includes a personalized evening dealer to help you with the commodity trading. They also help you with intraday trading limits on demand. They also offer you like no fund transfer charges, and the amazing feature about this particular company is that they also give you free account opening and lifetime Demat account as well, along with an AMC. And last amazing benefits that they offer you is that they give you customized brokerage plan as well. So we would highly recommend you that you need to avoid or refrain from trading as much as possible, because if at all you do not have the right kind of know-how about it, then you might end up losing a lot of money. And if at all you really want to learn how to do the right kind of investments, especially if at all your objective is to build a wealth, how to create a good amount of money for your retirement, or probably to start up your own business, or probably to get into farming, then you should definitely download the Financial Freedom app. We have made more than 65 plus courses, and every week we come up with new courses in all the languages, which are basically, there are 6 languages that that we offer you: Hindi, English, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, and Kannada. And we also are giving you a 2,000 rupees worth of scholarship absolutely free on every single download, provided you give my name in the promo code, which is FAYAZ, Fayaz. So I hope you found this video informative, and if you did, don't forget to like this video, share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to leave your feedbacks in the comment section. If at all you have any kind of topic suggestions, you can leave them in the comment section as well. I'll see you next time. My name is Fayaz, and you're watching IndianMoney.com.